Hi, my name is Quinn from MacDon. I'm the product support specialist for corn headers, and today we're going to be talking about stock chopping gearboxes. Stock chopping gearboxes can be engaged or disengaged using our stock chopper wrench on the right-hand side of the header. Opening up the toolbox, we can see that we have our stock chopper wrench. Reasons why you might want to do this are you only want to chop certain rows, or if something happens and you want to disengage a certain row to continue harvesting. Under the header, we have our stock chopping gearbox with our chopper assembly, and we have a hex switch. We're going to use our stock chopping wrench to grab it and rotate it 180 degrees until you hear a click. When the stock chopper is loose, it is disengaged. To re-engage the stock chopper, we're going to take our wrench, we're going to turn it back 180 degrees until it clicks, and then grabbing the center of the stock chopper hub, we can see that the chopping assembly is now turning the header over.
Cool.